Brackenridge Park Golf Course is in the heart of the Alamo City Golf Trail and features the oldest 18-hole public golf course in Texas. Located just north of downtown San Antonio, this course is accessible for locals and visitors alike. The course was opened for play in 1916 and was the first inductee into the Texas Golf Hall of Fame. Brackenridge Park was also the original site of the Texas Open, which held a tournament for most years between 1922 and 1959. Located in the historic Brackenridge Park, the course is one of 6 municipal golf courses managed by the Alamo City Golf Trail. The 2008 restoration of Old Brack rerouted the course to A.W. Tillingast's 1916 original layout and renewed its conditions to compete with San Antonio's premier golf courses. An adjacent building to the Brackenridge Park Golf Clubhouse once served as the working studio for artist Gutzon Berglund, the sculptor who created the heads of the U.S. presidents on Mount Rushmore. The Texas Golf Hall of Fame is now headquartered at Brackenridge Park Golf Course, after closing in the Woodlands, Texas in the late 1990s. Anyone playing golf in San Antonio should tee it up at Brackenridge to enjoy its wonderful history and fun city park layout.